Hello everyone, today my video about OSPF basic configuration. Anyone miss my previous videos? First view that videos and come to this video. Okay, today we are discuss about OSPF. Okay, you can see my today diagram. This diagram have 6 network and I am already assigned all the IP addresses for router interfaces. You can see router 1, router 2, router 3, router 4. You can see router 4 have 3 interfaces and I already assigned IP addresses and PC. You can see I'm already assigned IP address and default gateway. Okay, today video my first step is create loopback interface for this 4 router. Okay, I move to first router. Interface exit interface loop back 0 and IP address 1. Two five five 55. Okay. Next I move to next router 2. Exit interface loop back 0 IP 255 and 255. Next I move to router 3. Exit interface loop back 0 IP address 3 255 no shutdown. Next I move to router 4. Exit interface loop back 0 IP at 4 255 no shut. Next, now I go to my next step. I'm assigning OSPF for all 4 routers. Router OSPF 1 network. You can see this router 2 network. You can see, and also you can see this router is our internet service provider router. We are not assigning this router OSP and network. Therefore, we are using only this 2 network for this router. Network 12.12.0 0 0 0 and 3. Area 0. Okay, next I move to next network 12.13 area 0. Enter. Next network is our loopback interface. Area 0 and next passive interface. Passive interface for our loopback address 0 and type default information originate. Okay, next type do show run section OSPF. You can see all the OSPF network are in here. And next I move to next route 2. Exit router OSPF 2 network 10.12.12.0 area equal to 0 and next is 10.12.24.0 and next loopback network area equal to 0 passive interface loopback 0 do show run section OSP. Okay, it's done. Next time move to next router. Exit router OSPF 3 network 10.12.13. Area equals 0 and next network 30 10.12.34. Yes, and next loopback network passive interface loopback 0 do show run section SPF. Okay, and move to our router 4. Exit router OSPF 4 network and 10.12.34.0 next 24. 10.12.24. Yeah. And next interface network 92. Network 192.12.4.0. Area equals 0. Next, loopback network. Now passive interface. Do show run section OSPF. Okay, you can see it's done. And now next I move to this router, create IP route for our internet service provider router. Exit IP route all the networks, and next of IP address is internet service provider router. This interface IP address 203.12.113.2. Okay, do show IP route. You can see now 1, 3, 4 all the devices are connected perfectly. Okay, now I am trying to ping 10.12. This interface. You can see packet send and receive. All the packets send and receive. Next time this interface. You can see all the packets send and receive. You can see all the packets are sent and received. This is the end of my today video. Okay, see you again in the next video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you very much.